Good morning, sports car world. Cody here again, card attractions, and I did go over the 92 and 91 and 92 Pacific set with you guys. I told you I was going to find that third set, and here it is right here, 1993 Pacific, officially authorized by Nolan Ryan, 27 seed. It's actually 250 card set. The box doesn't look in the greatest condition, but the inside of the box is what matters. Let's definitely out. I do got a lot of Nolan Ryan cards, so anytime I have an opportunity to get more, I take advantage of it. So, to tell you guys, I'd find the set. These are all Nolan Ryan cards. Oldest to throw a no-hitter. 27 on them. 27 season. It's nice. This is the 93 series of these. Nothing's changed. The back, everything, they still look the same. It's just different card, different year. The 91 and 92 only was 110 sets. 10 card sets. Oh, here's a nice gold card. And this one's 250. Really nice. Where's it? Them ones to the side. These gold ones. So be very careful with them. Nice. That's 10 gold cards. Be careful with these. These are super nice gold Nolan Ryan cards. Well, I guess I could look at the backs of them. The backs of them are different. Nolan Ryan. Really nice cards. A little mark on like a little groove on that right there. See that? I don't know where that's from. It's weird. Yeah, these are really nice cards. I do like them. I hear my son in there. He's playing video games. Uh-oh, that one's the other here. Oh, another gold one. All right. Give me just a second, guys. I'll take it. Quiet down. All right. So, yeah, they were really nice cards there. All right. So, for that first Major League win, nice. Yeah. I know there's still a lot of Nolan Ryan fans out there, Nolan Ryan collectors. I mean, I'm one of them, obviously. The guy was amazing. Him and Randy Johnson both. To this day, great pictures. So awesome to have your son out there with you. Hey, this guy made a lot of memories. He's a legend. Right now, I have probably like 700 Nolan Ryan cards. Literally. Guitar or something I still don't have. Still looking for them. That's a cool picture there with him with the horse. Nice. There's the first stack. Mm-hmm. Amazing Mets. 300 career strikeout. Or 3,000. A new ball for Nolan. The spring workout. Yeah, these are all relievers. Awesome cards. He is. Hold on. No, and I haven't looked and seen if they made an earlier or later season of these, but I definitely will look just out of curiosity. Just as I went over the Star Collection, it's a collection of them. I don't have them. I'll buy them. Sometimes even if I have them, and the price is right, I'll still buy them again just to make sure. You never know. Some cards are in better condition than others. For the most part, all mine are in almost excellent condition, unless they kind of like that one gold card had a little weird infraction in it. Ryan family. But yeah, for the most part, I keep all my stuff sleeved. All my real good cards are sleeved and top loaded. So yeah, I got some in one touches, but trying to minimize my one touches because the process of getting all my cards graded. So you send one touches in, and they don't send them back. So, why isn't this coming in view? There we go. Keeping the ball. Yeah, so that's a definitely awesome, great collection for Nolan Ryan fans. I mean, even if you're not a fan, the guy's a great player, so you can never go wrong with owning any of his cards. As many cards as he does have out there. It's funny that the old Maru in the background when they advertise. Great moments. Nice card there. Yeah, it took me like 2 weeks to find it. But man, they want a lot of money for these little sets online. Be surprised. So I had to search and search and search. This one here actually cost me $55. So I would have rather have had it in a nicer box. But the cards are in perfect shape. That's what matters most to me. Most of their box sets over $200 online. So yeah, I'll take this one. All these cards aren't cheap, and they add up. Sometimes you spend more in shipping than the actual cards cost, and that's a hard one to fathom. Yeah. 2000 strikeout. Man of the year. 45th, 100 strikeout. 5,000. So yeah, super nice. What makes it even more nice now I have maybe number one was first, but said the second one said second series. Oh, I just realized that one. It was when he was bleeding. It's almost like these are repeats of the 91 and 92, but only has a 27th stamp on them. Because I feel like I got all these cards, but they are different. They do have a 27 stamp on them. Fastball vigor. Leaving Houston style. Nolan the Cowboy. Time with fans. Him and the dog. Crazy. Just an awesome picture. It's really crazy. They made so many cards. I will put these back in the box when I'm done with the video. Just keep them protected until I get my sleeves. Because eventually these will all come out of this box, get sleeved and hard cased. Every single one of these. Yeah, such fun cards, man. During all this time, man, this is when I really liked baseball a lot. I still like baseball, but I'm way bigger into football now than ever. Seaver and Ryan, nice. That's epic, right? So that's it, guys. It was a 250 card Nolan Ryan 1993 Pacific set. Really cool thing is we did get some awesome gold cards out of here. There's 10 of them. So I'm going to make sure I put them up to the side. I won't put them back in the box. Just minimal times going in and out. But yeah, if you guys do see those in line, that's what they are. If you remember, however, if you do get one, you might as well get the third one. You might as well get the first and the second one. So I would definitely advise it. But yeah, that's what it is. If you guys got any comments, leave them in the box. Other than that, man, thanks for watching the video. New people, subscribe to the channel, drop a like, turn on the bells, and I'll just keep uploading videos. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.